Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play games on GameJolt. First, understand that GameJolt is a fantastic hub for independent game developers and players. You'll find thousands of games, many of which are completely free to enjoy. There are two primary ways to play: directly in your web browser or by downloading and installing them onto your computer. We will cover both methods in detail, ensuring you can start playing quickly. For browser-based games, the process is quite straightforward. Once you've found a game you want to play, simply navigate to its dedicated page on GameJolt. Look for a large Play Game button, usually located prominently. Clicking this will launch the game directly within your web browser. For the best experience, ensure your browser is fully updated, and be aware that some older titles might require specific browser configurations or plugins. If a game requires downloading, you'll find a download section on its GameJolt page. Here, you must select the correct version for your computer's operating system, such as Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. After downloading, you will likely receive a compressed file, often a zip or RAR archive. Use a file extraction program to unpack it. Finally, locate and double-click the main executable file, usually ending in exe on Windows, to start playing. To ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience, always check the game's system requirements before downloading, especially for larger titles. Reading user reviews and developer notes can also provide valuable insights into gameplay and potential issues. If you encounter any bugs or have suggestions, consider providing constructive feedback to the developer. Finally, remember that many GameJolt developers are independent. Supporting them through donations or simply sharing their games helps them continue creating amazing content.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.